10 best exercises to lose weight at home. Welcome, Hapthies! Did you know that you could be shedding weight while working from home? Instead of gaining weight from extended periods of sitting, spend your lunch break completing a couple of these simple and beginner-friendly workouts. Spending just 15 minutes a day working out moderately to intensely can improve your overall health by 50%. Continue reading to learn about the 10 best exercises to lose weight at home. Most people naturally gained a couple of pounds throughout the chaos of quarantine and the COVID-19 pandemic. Whether you are working from home or just not a fan of the gym, these routines are proven to be simple and successful at-home workouts. Case studies have shown that activity levels have overall decreased in society since the beginning of the pandemic. Take a look at the 10 most successful exercises for losing weight while at home. Squats. Squats are a very important and beneficial exercise to regularly commit to performing. Not only do they build lower body muscle strength, but they also tone the body visually, making you feel more confident and attractive. Squats should be done with your feet at shoulder width apart, your feet lined up with your shoulders exactly. Your knees should be slightly bent, not completely straight or bent, to avoid locking. To complete the squat, bend your knees, squatting your butt toward the floor. Return your body to a right angle, keeping your back straight the entire time. For best results, 2 to 3 repetitions of 10 to 15 squats usually work best. You will see results within 1 month. Wall sits. Wall sits are another super simple workout to lose weight. It has a lot of benefits to the body. Wall sits help develop core strength, as well as specifically targeting the inner and outer thighs of your legs. Doing wall sits in 30-second intervals multiple times a day is ideal. It doesn't take much time to do, and you can make them a part of your daily habits, such as after waking up in the morning, before taking a shower, before going to bed, during lunch breaks, during smoke or 15-minute breaks, and so on. Walking. Walking is another simple one, but it is just simply one of the best workouts for weight loss. Going on morning, lunch, or evening walks can not only help you lose weight, but also tone your entire body. While it seems like there may not be enough time in the day, think about how long you spend on social media or watching TV. Take 15 to 30 minutes out of that time to go on a walk and get some fresh air. This could be beneficial for your mental health. Running or jogging. The second to last simple and accessible exercise that can be done at home is running and jogging. A lot of people usually love or hate running, and that's totally okay. Running is a great way to get exercise. It is a full-body cardiovascular workout. Running helps to burn fat and tone the entire body, especially the legs. Runners typically tend to shed their glutes through running, so squats are a good exercise pair to do with running for ideal muscle growth. Sit-ups. This is the last super simple, no skills or needed materials required exercise on the list. It may seem like you're doing nothing, but sit-ups are essential for weight loss. Specifically, sit-ups are one of the best exercises to lose belly fat quickly. They improve core strength, shed fat, build muscle, tone the stomach, and other surrounding areas on your torso. Sit-ups are also a great exercise because they make you feel physically better. Core strength is essential for balance in daily tasks. Belly dancing. This one may seem weird or out of the ordinary for the list, and it sort of is. As surprising as it may sound, belly dancing is one of the best exercises to lose weight. You do not have to be a professional dancer either to perform these moves. In fact, everyone tends to look a little silly doing them at first. To try out belly dancing, stand upright with your feet together and your arms at your sides. This is easily done looking into a mirror from the front or side because it is easier to visualize which muscles to move. Begin to move your abdomen muscles up and down like you are making a sandwich with your tummy. Then try activating the muscles on each side of your abdomen. This takes some practice, but consistently moving those ab muscles is the goal of this exercise. Exercise videos. While it may seem outdated, exercise videos can be fun, nostalgic, relaxing, and successful weight loss routines. Whether you're into yoga or high cardio exercises, YouTube has the most old and new exercise videos. Never feel too proud to turn on an old 90s exercise video on your smart TV. When consistently followed, exercise videos have helped followers lose upwards of 80 pounds. Typical everyday viewers typically lose an average of 1 or 2 pounds a week while completing the displayed routines. Exercise video games. A newer invention that has gained massive popularity with getting video game players to be more active is interactive gaming. Through interactive gaming, players get a chance to get up and move around. This also gives the experience of being closer to inside the game. With games such as Pokemon Go and Pikmin Bloom, players explore through walking around their local towns and cities to discover challenges and different characters and items to collect. In games such as Ring Fit Adventure on Nintendo Switch, players jog and jump in place as if they're the first-person player in the game. Both styles of games can be new and fun ways to lose weight, while Pokemon Go and Pikmin Bloom are played with more casual exercise levels. Ring Fit Adventure is more cardio-intensive and calorie-burning. Bicycle rides. Enjoying a nice and relaxing bicycle ride is a perfect way to lose weight at home. Riding around your local neighborhood to get some fresh air is a quick way to take an energizing break. If you don't own a bicycle, most cities or local parks offer bike rentals for cheap prices. Bicycling tones the lower body, and if done intensively, can burn a hefty number of calories, even if you just go for a casual stroll. Bicycling improves long-term heart health. Exercise machines. The last exercise that is best for home weight loss are exercise machines. If you live in an apartment building or condominium complex, you likely have some of these in your amenities gym. Many people have old treadmills or ellipticals being used as coat hangers around their house. Pull off those coats and power that puppy on. There are also more expensive and modern machines that are popular called Pelotons. This is one of the easiest ways to get exercise at home because you can simply turn on the TV while exercising. You can be riding an exercise machine while working from home, watching TV, scrolling social media, taking your lunch break, or even while eating. A bonus exercise that helps with losing weight at home is called the facelift. With so much time spent looking down at technology, it's natural for everyone to have a double chin and saggy eyes. To reduce wrinkles and double chin, practice pointing your chin as far up to the sky as you can. Look up while you're doing this to pull your facial muscles up with your eyes. Repeat this movement multiple times in a row, repeating numerous times a day. It's easiest to do these movements in moments when you look into a mirror or have private moments. By doing this exercise consistently, your face will appear more lifted, slightly less wrinkly, and your double chin will slowly disappear. Typically, results can be seen as soon as 3 weeks, but dramatic change is visible over a couple of months. Effects will be even more significant and noticeable with the pairing of a facial massager. While weight loss is important, it is equally as important to always prioritize self-love and care. Never overextend your body, and remember to take adequate breaks and rest days. The most important requirement for weight loss is consistency over long term. If your body is sore and you need a day or two break, take that time to rest. It is important to give your body adequate rest so it can be renewed for the next day. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos that will help improve your lifestyle. Have you had success with losing weight at home? Or have you had trouble losing weight while being at home? Let us know in the comments below about your experiences.